Lizzy. It's nice to see you here. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, so for today's video, it's gonna be a DIY hair color at home. And my mom bought this hair color stuff. So this one is a WEIDINA hair. And it looks like this. And the other one is the TOVCHCOLor. It looks like this, guys. So, ang plano ng mom ko is she's gonna mix these two colors together and let's see if maganda siya. So, but before that, let's open what's inside the box. So, inside the box, there is a something like this, a comb and a brush for the hair. And then, this one. So, I'm expecting this one is the hair color. And then this one is, I really don't know. So, basta, yun na yan. And then, meron dito, hindi ko alam. Wait lang. What's this? And yeah, I am going to wash my hair first before applying these products. So, I can't do this alone. So, my mom will help me to dye my hair. So, ayan guys, nagpalit ako ng damit because my mom told me that dapat daw dark yung mga damit na suotin. And I just wash my hair because bawal yung naka-conditioner daw. So, I'm going to dry my hair first. And using this one. So, ipapadry ko na siya, guys. So, ayun guys, minimix na ng mom ko yung hair color. And, excuse na sa container guys. So, dalawang kulay yun guys. So, that one. Yun, minimix na. Wow. So, ayun guys, nagpalit ulit ako. Kasi dapat daw nakakover yung shoulder. Tapos dito din.
Tayo tissue ko. Ano? Dito din.
Dito din. Tissue dito sa leeg. Para hindi mahapdi yung chemicals. Kasi napaka-hapdi daw niya guys. Uy, natangtang!
Pagloy mo. Ang sabi sa dami.
So, ang dami ko pong assistant.
Kami kwarta. Pagpatina.
They will not understand you. Ignore. Ana, okay na na. Di mo ko rin magdamami. Sa mukha. So, we are so ready. So, I can't do this alone. So, my mom will help me to dye my hair. So, siya yung mag-dye ng hair ko, guys. And, yung box pala, guys, is meron na siyang gloves na kasama. And, yung dalawang hair color, those are less than 100 pesos lang, guys. So, it's very affordable. So, ayan, guys. Magsa-start na kami.
May club.
So, ito pala yung look niya, guys, after manix. So, it looks like a mayonnaise.
Dali na lang taon. Ano?
Bahala ka.
Eh, di ka ko pa sa parlor na trabaho na. Sagdain na lang ko. Tapos na? Kasi makapasok niya.
Sobrang hapdi niya, guys. Sobrang katipang. So, ayun guys, tapos na kami magkulay ng buhok and we are just going to wait 30 minutes guys. And sobrang hapdi niya guys. Dito na part. Sobrang kati niya. And buti na lang meron to. I'm so excited sa result niya guys. So, fingers crossed. Sana maganda yung result. Thanks to my mom too for doing this. So, time check. It's now 7:30 guys. 7:30. So, matatapos to around 8. So, I'll be back later. So, ayun guys, done with our 30 minutes and it's now almost 8. 7:59. So, i-wash lang namin to and I'll be back. Hey guys, so I am back and this is the result. It looks like meron siyang pagka-red or like brown guys, as you can see. And hindi nagdo-dry yung hair ko guys. It's so shiny. And I really like it. I really like the result. And yeah guys, it looks so fresh. Parang ang ganda ko na tignan sa look na to. And I really like it. And thanks to my mom. Andito lang siya guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!